I ruined this bracket for the thumb in the beginning of the spring, helping my neighbor, and the reason is that it's a bit too thin, this material here, and you can see there was a crack, and I think the thumb was like here and it moved like that, and it's not very strong there. I was thinking that I should put some kind of extra bracket down here or something like that, but actually I am considering just doing some kind of strengthening around here and here, and just leave this as it is, because I really want to connect the excavated thumb to this here and here, like this link here, and because then it will kind of follow the bucket here. The geometry changes because this point here is not the same as this point that it pivots around. So I'm just gonna make a simple repair of this and use it as it is, and later, maybe this autumn or something like that, I will make a new, much better excavator thumb for this mini excavator. I used a hole saw to drill a hole in this plate, but and then I'll cut it up and use it around here. I think I'm missing a part here. I'm gonna see if I can add some material here without welding this pin to. Yeah, I think if I grind this down a bit and then put one of these like around here, it will hold up for the work that I need to do this summer, hopefully. But that is always, you never know when you build things yourself. I got both of these prepared now. It will go something like this, and I'll put some, just put a small weld in, make sure it looks okay before I fully weld it. This pin is a bit short, but I don't think it matters. Before I fully weld this, I just wanted to check that it really fits, and it doesn't really. But maybe. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this one needs to be. Oh, it's only a couple of millimeters, but apparently can make this. Okay. Andrew Camerata showed me how to paint stuff. Could be used as a tombstone, I guess. Pretty cool. A bit easier now to access the ATV. I'm gonna pull this cover off. Got a nice little temple here for snakes and stuff, and some more here, and there's my tombstone. So if I die, when I die, you know, I'll probably I will die someday, at least. This could be a cheap alternative. This was just trying it out, and the thumb seems to work. So thank you for watching, and bye.